Let's go. Eric Dickerson, Ezekiel Elliott, Jarvin Taylor Bang, and Ian Book. Let's see some fire, yes sir. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got Joe Montana, Terrell Davis. We got a Peyton Turner Silver Prism and a Mark Andrews. Got a Dalvin Cook, Chris Carter. We got a silver Brian Dawkins and a Kwity Paye. We got a Gronk, Tyreek Hill, green Michael Thomas, and a Devontae Adams. Alvin Kamara, Greg Rousseau, Terry McLaurin, and Kyle Trask, who could be the Bucs starting QB next year. You never know, unless they sign someone. I don't see them drafting anyone. Derek Carr, Allen Robinson, Green Noah Gray, and a Derek Brown. Our first one was definitely a little weak, but got 9 left. Thank God, got 9 left. On to number 2 out of 10. Room to improve for sure. We stay positive over here, boys. We stay positive. Even when we're done, we stay positive. Sometimes just how she goes. We've all been there. Alright, I got Henry Ruggs, Jerry Rice. Got a Carson Wentz green and a Von Miller. Heating up, baby. Heating up. D just got those magnets. We got Big Ben, Charles Tillman, Big Bang, Derrick Henry, and Evan McPherson. Ricky Williams, Caleb Farley, Chad Johnson Green, and a Joe. Got a Sean Alexander, Jameson Crowder, Touchdown Masters, Josh Jacobs, and a Dwayne Eskridge, excuse me. Got a Hunter Henry, Devontae Adams, Green, Peyton Turner, and Sean Watson. Alright, boys, let's start heating up. We got A.J. Brown. Bang! To start it off, we got the Broncos, Patrick Surtain, Honeycomb. Only in the second blaster, we're already hitting hard. Nice little short print to start it off. Nice little rookie, too. Top 10 rookie for sure. Top 15, I'd say, maybe. We got Justin Herbert and a Amir Smith-Marset. Yes, sir. We don't want to keep you guys waiting. You guys got stuff to do. Got Blake Martinez, Von Miller, Green, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and David Montgomery. Yeah, sure. He's a stud. Alright, got Justin Herbert, Chris Long, got Game DK Metcalf, and a Ben Strauss. I don't know how to say his name, so that's how we're going to say it. Alright, on to blaster number 3. Yes, sir. Let's pull that Trey Lance Genesis. Let's do it. Leonard Floyd, Ezekiel Elliott, Peyton Manning Silver Prism, and a CeeDee Lamb. Damn. Fred Warner, Terrell Davis, Will DeWin, Kyler Murray, and a Terrence Marshall Jr. Yeah, I definitely was not around for that time. Public Enemy 508. Is that 508 for Mass? Is that 508 for Mass? Cam Newton, Chris Carter, Drew Lock, Green, and a J.K. Dobbins. Yes, sir. I love that. That's our hometown. Currently in Tampa right now for some big things, but that's our hometown. All right, we got Jameson Crowder, Tyreek Hill, Alvin Kamara, Touchdown Masters, and Jamar Jefferson. We got a Honeycomb now. Let's get that Genesis. Or Fluorescent. Got Eric Dickerson, Greg Rousseau, got a green Marlon Humphrey, and a Jeff Kuda. Funny story, actually. Since he got hurt, a guy I played high school football with, I was a freshman when he was a senior. He's now playing. He's starting for Jeff Okuda now that he got hurt at the Lions. Thought that was pretty cool. I got Joe Montana, Allen Robinson, got Game John Taylor, and Pat Freiermuth. And his name was Fatu Melifonwu. I don't know who that is. And his brother played in the league for a little bit too. He was on the Patriots actually, Public Enemy. He was his name was Obi Melifonwu. He didn't really play much, but those two are my neighbors, and I played football with them in high school. We got Dalvin Cook, Tom Brady, the GOAT, Aaron Jones Green, and DJ Chark. Damn. That's sick. I got Rob Gronkowski, Peyton Manning, Deshaun Watson, Touchdown Masters, and a Frank Darby. Saucy, you should get us. You should get us connected with some of those Lions people. We can get some Lions people in the lives. Imagine DeAndre Swift or what's his name, Jared Goff, coming and do a live stream with us. That'd be sick. Alright, we got Derwin James, Chris Long, Got Game, David Montgomery, and a Racy McMath. Alright, we got TJ Watt. Oh, there we go, boys. Yes, sir. That's what we're looking for. Please say it's Jalen Waddle. Please say it's Jalen Waddle. Let's go for the Dolphins. Genesis. Let's go. Yes, sir. Is this you, DJ? Is this you? Yes. I hope it is. I hope it is. Yeah, we go. We got true Genesis Jalen Waddle. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We're having a nice little break right here. Nice little break. And how many are we only in? I think we're only like 2 or 3 in. Wow. Yeah, got you. Let me put it up again. Make sure you get that Pull and Point logo right there. You know the deal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Reese's, let's get you something good, bro. Let's get you something good. Alright, we got Dante Culpepper, Travis Eaton Jr., Big Ben, and Jalen Phillips. Alright, we got Tom Brady, Antonio Gibson, Michael Pierre Green, and Aaron Jones. Let's hit one more Genesis or Honeycomb, huh? We still have like all these packs from this blaster, and then 2. We got 6 after this. We got 6 more after this. Damn. Reggie Bush, Drew Brees, Randy Moss, and a Jalen Waddle base. Not like we need any more base Jalen Waddles, but we'll take it. Alright, Josh Allen, Kurt Warner, Derwin James Green, and a Jeremy Chin. We pulled a Jeremy Chin Genesis the other day. Jalen Hurts, Tua, the GOAT, Touchdown Masters, and Nick Bolton. Last pack, Bobby Wagner, Rashad Bateman. Boom! Boom! Bang! Let's go, boys. We're on a roll. Green, Trey Lance, followed by Forrest Buckner. Dude, I gotta come out with a new reaction instead of saying boom, boom, bang, or bang. Everyone says that shit. It's just an actual reflex at this point. We need some Mac for sure, bro. We need some Mac. We're waiting for that Mac attack. Yeah, let's get these cards organized here. Alright. Keep it rolling. On to the next blaster. We got 2, 4, 6 left. There are number cards. Yeah, they're just obviously rare since it's retail. But short prints, as you see, we bang those all day. We hit those all day. In two breaks so far, we've had 2 Honeycombs and a nice Genesis. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Sean Alexander, Kenneth Gainwell, Simu Pecco Green, and a DJ Shark. That's actually a fantastic question. FTT would know that. I think they are, but I could be wrong. Hunter Henry, Zeke, got game Christian Caffrey, and Darius Tooney. Just choice, actually. Just choice. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Brain fart. All right, A.J. Brown, Terrell Davis, Micah Parsons Green for the Cowboys, and a Dak Prescott. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Blake Martinez, Chris Carter, Justin Herbert, Touchdown Masters, and Jabril Cox. I think my housemate just got home, boys, so if you hear yelling, I deeply apologize. We got Justin Herbert, Tyreek Hill. We got a Silver Prism, Jalen Hurts, and a Calvin Ridley. If they get too loud, I'm going to go tell them to calm down, but I'm not making much noise now, so we're good. All right, we got Danielle Hunter, Greg Rousseau. We got a Silver, Warren Moon, and a Racy McMahon. All right, Devin White, Allen Robinson. We got a green DeAndre Hopkins and a DeAndre Swift. Last pack in this blaster, and then we have 5 left. We're only halfway there. We've been banging so far. Daniel Jones, Tom Brady, got game, Lamar Jackson, and Jalen Phillips. All right. 5 down, 5 to go. For those of you guys that are entering the giveaway, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram and subscribing to our YouTube to be able to actually join the break. All right, we got Deontay Johnson and Trevor Lawrence. There we go. Green CeeDee Lamb and a Melvin Gordon. Currently, I don't have any free blasters available, like single blasters, but usually they'd be in the 60-ish range. Byron Jones, Dak Prescott, got game, David Montgomery, and a Tutu Atwell. All right, we got Plaxico Burress, Joe Montana, Daz Newsom Green, and a Dwight Farini. Got Darren Waller, J.J. Watt, Ben Roethlisberger, and a Gary Brightwell. All right, boys, let's heat up. Let's heat up. Let's go. James Harrison, Derrick Henry, J.K. Dobbins Green, and a Joe Mixon. Got a Myles Gaskin, Kenneth Gainwell, Wilwyn Green, Joe Burrow, and a Dax Mellon. Got a DK Metcalf, Ezekiel Elliott, got a Silver Prism, DeMarcus Lawrence, and a Kyler Murray. All right, I got Terrell Davis. Bang! Wow, boys. For the Cowboys. Stained glass Dak Prescott. Is this you again? Don't tell me this is you again, DJ. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Woo! Sheesh. What a day for DJ. Little payday for DJ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one snuck up. Yeah, I was not ready for that one. I was not ready. Usually I like to tease you guys a little bit. But yeah, I was not ready for that one. This is all for one break, boys. John Riggins, Jerome Bettis, Rashad Bateman, Silver Prism, and Zach Cunningham. Curtis Martin, Sean Watson, Nick Chubb, Elijah Moore. Austin Austin Eckler, Trey Lance, there we go. Joe Montana Green and Akeem Hicks. Mika Fitzpatrick, Matthew Stafford, Hall of Fame Terry Bradshaw, and Jared Dokes. Let's go. Let's go. Kirk Cousins, Kurt Warner, J.J. Watt Green, Larry Johnson. Let's get some Mac, baby. Let's get some Mac. Jamal Adams, Russell Wilson, a Tua Silver, and a Nico Collins. Boy, this is why I'm saying, like, really no bad team is, like there's no really bad teams. Like, everyone hated on the Broncos, but you just pulled a nice Honeycomb. Yeah, Honeycomb. We did get a Stainer in 2 or 3 days ago. Drew Brees, Stephon Diggs, Green, Derrick Henry, and DeMarcus Lawrence. Laviska, Micah Parsons, Got Game, George Kittle, and Noah Gray. Yeah, I heard that too, bro. I heard that too. Let's see if they're lying. Let's see if they're lying. We got 3 left. We got 3 left. We've already hit 3 bangers. Another SP would be dope. We do need, we haven't seen auto. Why does this feel so thin? Another 3 cards in this pack, but it has a Jalen Waddle. But maybe there's a banger, boys. Maybe there's a banger. That pack only had 3 cards. Amari Cooper, Rodney Harrison, Green, Sam Ellinger, Thomas Davis. Yeah, scripts happen, man. Dry. Deion Jones, Ryan Tannehill, Hall of Fame, Joe Montana, and Nick Bolton. T.J. Hawkinson, Cooper Kupp, you got a Micah Parsons Green, and a Derek Carr. An auto would make this break complete, boys. An auto would make this break complete. Ed Oliver, Jerry Rice, Jarvis Landry Bang, and a Trey Sermon. A Mac auto right here. Wow, I would go nuts. David Johnson, Justin Jefferson. We got a Fletcher Cox Silver Prism and a nice little Kyle Pitts. Quan Smith, Mike Evans, Will to Win, Jonathan Taylor, and Jake Funk. Last pack, and we got 2 blasters to go. Travis Kelce, Marshawn Lattimore. We got a Green, DeAndre Hopkins, and a Tom Brady. As always, make sure you guys are checking out the website. We'll have all of our breaks posted, upcoming, the NBA, including our NFL as well. Mike Evans, Steve Young, Anthony Schwartz Green, Kurt Warner. Marshawn Lattimore, Warren Moon. Boom! Trey Lance, silver NFL debut. Let's go. Just to add it off. Just to add on top of what we've already been pulling. Followed by a Travis Etienne Jr. Frank Blinkenhoff, Nick Chubb, Green, DK Metcalf, and a Peyton Manning. Miles Sanders, Najee Harris, not bad. Josh Jacobs, Bang, and a Rashad Slater. Leonard Floyd, Alvin Kamara, Chase Winovich, Silver Prism, and a Mark Andrews. Fred Warner, Tom Brady, Will to Win, Emmitt Smith, and Amon-Ra St. Brown. How many left? One more after these 2 packs. Cam Newton, Jason Taylor, excuse me, Damian Harris Green, and Devontae Adams. Last pack, and we got one more blaster, boys. Jamison Crowder, Josh Allen, got game Derek Carr, and a Tommy Tremble. Alright, we're on our last blaster, boys. Last blaster mojo. Let's clean it off. We don't want our big hit to get all dirty. Let's heat up the hands. Let's get them hot, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Pray for the kicker. It only takes one, baby. Let's go. Antonio Gibson, Travis Kelce, Ray Lewis Green, Melvin Gordon. And in DJ's case, 2. Alright, we got Denzel Mims, Kadarius Tooney, got game Devin White, and Tylan Wallace. Yep, you're calling it. First one's going to be Lamar, orange. Haven't hit an orange yet. Matthew Stafford, Aaron Jones, Green, Jamie Collins, and a Dwight Freeney. Jimmy G, Tom Brady, Will the Wing Green, Russell Wilson, and Trevon Moore. Randy Moss, LaDainian Tomlinson, Asante Samuel Green, and Joe Mixon. Leonard Fournette, Joey B, Tyreek Hill, Touchdown Masters, and Cornell Powell. Two packs to go, boys. 2 packs to go. Michael Thomas, Jamar Chase, Luke Kuechly Green, and a Kyler Murray. Alright, boys. Last pack mojo. Let's go. Let's heat it up. Alright. Joe Scobart, Jalen Hurts, Brad Urlacher, and Michael Strachan. You can only ask for so much, I guess. Dang, boys, that was a great break. Hope you guys enjoyed. Everything will be either shipped out tomorrow or the next day. We won't be live tomorrow, but hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday. One of the better ones I've seen, yes sir. Yes sir, that was a great break for sure. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway before we end the live. But as always, I appreciate you guys for joining. It's been a fun one as always. Yes, sir, we do have NBA break this Wednesday. It's going to be a 2017 Prism Fast break. We're hunting for those Jason Tatums. Last one we did, we pulled the Jason Tatum. So, let's go, boys. Make sure you guys get on that on the website. And then in the next couple days after that, we're also going to do a 2021 Prism Fast break for NBA. But, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, brother. Appreciate you. That counts as an extra giveaway entry as well. If you guys go to the website, you'll be able to check how you can get more entries. You the man, DJ. You the man. Appreciate it for joining. I'm gonna call it a night here. We just did 2 half cases of the Mosaic Blasters. We'll be live again either Wednesday or Thursday. Just depends when we get some more blasters in. We're also gonna get some hangers for you boys because you guys said you wanted those. So we're gonna actually, the second go off this live, we're gonna hunt some down. I'm pretty sure I have a boy who has a shit ton. So yeah, boys, appreciate you all. Have a blessed rest of your night. Happy Monday. What a banger break. Peace.